Hey friends, how to enable missing high performance plan? So first of all, here you can see the no any plan showing. So first of all, type here cmd, simple click on run as administrator, and I will give you some commands in the description. Simple copy from description. So as you can see, the high performance, balance and power saver and ultimate performance option. So best option is the ultimate performance. Simple copy the command from here and simple paste it and hit the enter button. And now type here edit power plan. Simple click on open and select the power option and click on arrow icon. Here you can see the ultimate power option. Now you can select this option. Open Chrome browser and simple I will give you the link in the description. Simple scroll down little bit and here you can see the power saver option. Simple download this. After downloading, simple extract this file from here. Simple click on extract here and you can see this file. Simple drag to desktop. Now close this window. Now open Chrome browser again and scroll down little bit. Here you can see the power saver plan option and scroll down little bit. You can see this code. Simple copy the command from here. Now simple minimize this Chrome window, open cmd and simple paste this command and simple hit the enter button and your problem is solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.